Assalamu alaikum. Okay, today in the home workout series, we are going to train Mohammed, and it's his first chest session with me. So we are just going to start with it, and the first step is just going to be straight bench press. Watch your head and lay down. Okay, so the way you're supposed to hold it is you see these lines, put your hands here, and open them like this. Make sure that the both of them are at an equal distance, but they are away from this point. Okay. Make a tight grip. Okay. Now what you have to do is pick it up, bring it here. Okay, that's your line, and it should touch just on the center point of your chest. Okay, and then when you bring it down, you are going to inhale, and when you push it, keep it straight, hold it strong. Okay, it's not a lot of weight, but we have to concentrate on the angle. Okay, so now I'll help you pick it up. 1, 2, 3, pick it up. All right, you have to touch it here. Bring it down, inhale, exhale, push it up, keep it straight. Okay, take it down, inhale, exhale, take it down, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You have to do 15 of these. Inhale, exhale. When the rod is coming down, make sure it doesn't move a lot. Okay, so bring it down, inhale, push it up, exhale. Okay, bring it down, inhale, push it up, exhale. Okay, now put it back. Right, so that was your first set. We're not going to do the next step with a bench. So what you're going to do is, you know how to do flies. Okay, now look at me how I do it. You're going to sit down, keep it under your chest, like here. Okay, first of all, measure it. It should be under your chest, not here, not here. It should be here. Okay, then keep it leveled, straight. Bring it down. Count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inhale, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then inhale. Get it? Okay. This is going to be a bit hard. Your arms are going to try to go left and right, but you have to try to balance it. Watch your head. Pick it up. Bring it down and level it under your chest. Here. Is it under your chest? Okay. Now keep them joined and push them up. Okay. Now spread. Watch where your hands are going. Try opening your arms up. Now bring them up. Join it. Okay. Move a bit here. More. Okay. Keep your hands straight. Okay. Go wide. Open your arms. Inhale. Pull it up. Good. Good boy. Good. Relax. Go wide. Keep your arms straight. Keep your arms straight. Keep your arms straight. You can feel the burn here? Yes. Push. Now sit up. Put it down. Where did it feel? Yes, right on the pecs. So now set number 2. Get back on the bench. Do one more set. Okay? Watch your head. Lift it up. 1, 2, 3. Touch it here. And push. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Now put it back. Good. Okay. Dumbbells. Flies. Watch your head. Stay a bit on this side. Move down. Move more down. Okay. Level it. Balance it. Go wide. Inhale. Keep it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it up. Good. Good. It's okay. Stay there. It's okay. Take a breather. Okay. Go wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it up. Good. Don't let your arms bend. Okay. Go wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't hold your breath. Okay. Your arms are turning. It happens. Don't worry about it. Okay. Get up. It's a bit tough, isn't it? Chest is always harder. It's a very big muscle. It's divided into 3 parts: upper chest, center, and lower chest. So we just you just feel the burn, don't you? Huh? Yeah, it's a very good workout. That was just 2 sets. We're going to do 5. Okay? I know it's going to burn, but if it's not going to burn, then you're not going to make some muscle. Okay? All right. I'll see you guys in the next workout. Okay.